who's watching you. We often think that what we're doing doesn't really make any difference. Proverbs 21:21 is a favorite verse of mine in the Bible. It says, "Whoever pursues righteousness and kindness will find life, righteousness, and honor." In this day and age, in our culture now, it seems to me that it is more and more difficult to find those things. It is very easy to turn on the television or flip on your phone or look in some publication and see things that are not righteous, that are not kind, that are not honorable. And it is our responsibility to make sure that whatever we do is adding those qualities to the world. So a very important question that I think we can ask ourselves continually is, who are we watching? Who are we looking at in person? Who are we spending our time with? For years I've heard that you become like the 5 people you spend the most time with. And sometimes we have to ratchet up the kind of people that we are spending our time with because they're not really encouraging us to be righteous or kind. And then an even more important question perhaps is, who's watching you? We often think that what we're doing doesn't really make any difference. But you never know who is paying attention to what you're doing. So make sure that wherever you are, in public or with your family, that you are behaving in such a way that people will wonder how you can be so hopeful, so joyful, so positive in this world. And then you'll have an opportunity to tell them, in my case, my hope is in Jesus. I hope it is in yours too.